Maybe I will burp. Wait.
Oh.
One. This is gonna take me longer. Not gonna lie. Okay? I can't do it in 3 seconds. Stop doing that!
Go.
Leave my shit.
I'll stop when you do it. There we go, there we go, there we go.
Ow. Ow, ow, ow. Ow.
Don't spill anything on your Walmart shirt. That is not a Walmart shirt.
It's not a Walmart shirt.
Joke with the heartbeat.
Thanks, Joker. Thanks, Nope Rat.
Messi or Ronaldo?
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Sorry.
I chugged.
Excuse me.
That's gonna be. You better go. You're gonna be three. You're gonna be 3 behind. Guys, do you think that's?
You guys are. Just take. No, don't say shots.
G-Man, make it one more. Make it one more.
I can. I'm about to die. I'm literally about to die. I'm about to die. And you're encouraging it. And it's.
Yeah.
He's being so annoying. I feel like a slave. I hate it.
Please.
It hurt. That hurt so bad.
It's okay. You're done. You're done today. There's 20 galaxies.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me.
Dude, there's no way it's gonna keep landing on that. That is crazy, actually. I get those goosebumps every time.
Hot Colin, you're driving me crazy.
2 more galaxies. 2 more galaxies.
Don't come near me.
Get away from me. Murder.
Excuse me. I'm really sorry if you guys hate them. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Why do I keep burping? Oh. How much even is... Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. You're so pretty. Not gonna lie.
Did he send one?
Okay. Oh my god.
I wouldn't do jumping.
I be stripping. Got no.
My stomach hurts really bad. You did not hear that. That came out fast. of. I don't understand the Met Gala. Excuse me. Excuse. You're talking about Christmas. Friendships. You like. Ow.
Cash App Bruce's.
Excuse me. Just. Excuse me.
Dude. 20 galaxies, fat chance. I'll do another bucket on my head. He won't do it. I can't even burp.
I die if I don't.
Look, you left.
Oh my god.
Oh. Wait, when did they hit?
Touch bar. Very late. I have to pee really bad, guys.
20 jumping jacks. Let's go. 20 jumping jacks.
Excuse me. Excuse me. Thank you very much. Excuse me. I'm sorry. It's the best with my skin tone. Not gonna lie. I'm really sorry if you guys hate burping. But I've been drinking carbonation, so you can fight me. Alright? Turn this on. I'm sorry if you hate burping. I keep prefacing with that. I literally can't stop though. I'm drinking carbonation. It's a bodily function. Get over yourselves, alright? Excuse me. What's your favorite vacation spot to go to? I'm so sorry. I can't stop burping because I've had a lot of carbonation. Okay, so you're gonna either have to deal with it or cry about it. Excuse me. Don't come near me.
Yeah, no, I didn't finish. Over a C6, to be completely honest.
Who's...
Thank you, Rooster, bro. I have...
Excuse me. I'm so sorry. I literally...
Oh, I have...
You did?
Good.
Just gulp, gulp, gulp. Amber.
Scheme on SoundCloud.
Get away.
If they can guess this song, song, I'll sippy cut. Right?
I had a burp, guys. Sorry. Make a goal for a new one. Beautiful eyes. Thank you. Yes, she's with Kenyon. Did. Excuse me. Ow. Excuse me. Thank you. I should. Excuse me. It hurts. It still hurts. Excuse me. I have to go get me. Excuse me. At one time. She's trouble. Excuse Excuse me. I'm sorry. Fit check. Excuse me.